Minions, show me what you found in the Rooney cupboards. 8 cans of yellow wax beans and a bag of oyster crackers? For shame, Mrs. Rooney.
Holiday newsletter, no time to listen. Liv, when did they offer you voltage? Was it September or August? And when did I buy that dead guy suit that turned Joey cool for a day?
So, Artie, do you think that you can pull off Christmas Eve dinner?
Well, this is a tall order, and I'm a short man. But there is one thing that would put a lift in my shoes. A holiday card picture with you on my arm. We can look back on it fondly years from now when we're married.
Fine.
She said yes!
No, to the one photo, not the marriage.
Oh, well, I have a holiday miracle to make. Taylor Minion, go to my root cellar and get me everything we don't need for New Year's Eve. Joel Minion, fetch me the finest turkey in Stevens Point. Other one, nudge Liv a little closer. Hark the herald angels sing, Liv and Artie gonna do this thing.